Have you ever thought about making money with embroidery? Although your embroidery machine is a terrific creative outlet, it can also be used for so much more than that. It can be a tool that helps you pave the way to financial freedom. Imagine turning your embroidery hobby into a profit center that boosts your monthly income so you can do more things you enjoy, like treating yourself to a family vacation, buying new toys, or just paying off bills to live debt-free. If you've ever thought about turning your hobby into a business or already own an embroidery business and want to learn how to streamline your workflow, get more orders, and become more profitable, then our new How to Make Money with Embroidery webinar is perfect for you. Hi, I'm John Deere, owner of Embroidery Legacy. In the 1990s, my family and I ran 2 commercial embroidery factories where we produced millions of emblems and embroidered goods per year, and we ranked one of the top 100 volume embroidery manufacturers in North America. And because of this, I know a thing or two about streamlining workflow and trimming the fat to make your embroidery business as profitable as possible. And in this webinar, I'll be sharing my top proven embroidery business secrets with you. In this eye-opening one-day webinar, you'll discover how to turbocharge your embroidery business with 8 solid lectures that'll teach you what the right tools for the job are to ensure success, how to minimize risk with a startup checklist and defining your goals, how to pinpoint your niche and most profitable products, how to ensure growth with 7 proven business success hacks, how to properly price embroidery and streamline workflow for profit, where to find your ideal customers, and how to secure more orders by effectively marketing your business in the modern age. Now, the best part about this webinar is that alongside myself, we have a rockstar lineup of embroidery business experts with over 100 years of combined real-life, results-backed experience under our belts. So if any of this sounds appealing to you, take a second to ask yourself, do you want to start making money with embroidery or make more money with embroidery? If the answer is yes, whether you've never run an embroidery business before or you're an experienced embroidery business owner, this webinar is perfect for you. It'll help you increase your profit, streamline your workflow, secure more orders, and skyrocket your success. You already know you love embroidery, so why not make money off of doing something you love? Click the Enroll Now button below and invest in yourself and start making your financial dreams a reality by learning how to make money with embroidery today.